Hi, this is Rich Boren with Cruiser Services. I'm the U.S. distributor for Schenker Watermakers. And in this series of videos, we're going to review all of the components that come with a Schenker Watermaker. We're going to look at what is the name of the part so we can kind of get our terminology right, what that part does, how it's important in the system, what maintenance that part requires, so you can think about that when you're choosing your mounting location, and where to mount it on the boat. What are some standards? What are some no-nos? We're going to go over some of these things with the intent of when you watch this full video series, you're basically doing your pre-planning for the Watermaker layout. So we're going to start right at the beginning with something that's relatively simple. All Watermakers need them, and that's the raw water strainer. This comes with the stainless steel bracket to mount it down below. And then it's a standard SureFlow style raw water strainer. It's got the clear bowl, the 100 mesh stainless steel screen, and the MPT port. So one of the things that's important about this is that you're going to want to mount this in a location that you can get your eyes on it. You may not need to open it up and clean the strainer all the time, every time you make water, certainly not. But you want to be able to glance at this and see that this filter housing is not compacted up with eelgrass, seaweed, who knows what's floating around out there. I've had octopus and little fishes get inside of this before. Some crazy things can happen. Plastic trash bags can get sucked in, a whole myriad of things that are floating around out there in the ocean. So the big critical thing about this is in its mounting location is that it needs to be mounted below the water line. So where it goes in the system, you have the through hole that you supply and it's on your boat. You then go right into the raw water strainer. Out of the raw water strainer is going to go into, plumbing wise, the check valve T, and that'll be discussed in our next video. But so this is right after the raw water strainer. Its function is to remove all of the chunks, the large chunks, so that they then don't get into the feed pumps. The 5 micron pre-filter is after the pre-pump, the feed pump. So it's not going to be able to get into the Watermaker. That'll be filtered out there. This is taking out the large chunks of items. Now, from a maintenance perspective, there's an O-ring flat gasket inside here that seals. This is a very common source for air leaks. Maybe it's mounted in a spot you don't get a tight turn, or you get debris sitting on top of the O-ring gasket, and then it doesn't get a nice seal against the surface of the housing top. Something that you may want to look at, keep an eye on your stainless steel strainer. You know, these things are sitting in seawater. They're sitting in a rough environment. So keep an eye on that. You can buy replacement strainers for the SureFlow unit. If yours tends to get a little dirty and some corrosion on it, that's something that some cruisers report needing to replace these after several years of use. Now, this is the SureFlow strainer provided with the Schenker Watermaker. If you have your favorite brand of, pick your name, but if you have one that you like using or you already have one, of course you can use that. It just needs to have a 100 mesh screen, filter screen inside to remove the big chunks. So it's a simple piece of equipment, but a lot of people kind of overlook it, and you definitely want this as close to the through hole as possible so it's filtering out all of the chunks that go downstream. So that's it for the raw water strainer. In the next video, we're going to look at the check valve T that plumbs in directly on the outlet of the raw water strainer.